In today's video, I'm going to show you Velvra Parasite Cleanse review. Is Velvra Complete Cleanse Kit legit or scam? Velvra markets the Complete Cleanse Kit as a gentle, plant-based way to eliminate hidden parasites from the gut using a two-part protocol, a liquid herbal blend called Parahaven to purge parasites, and a binder, zeolite plus nutrients, called Parabinder to trap toxins released during the process. Their website claims third-party testing for purity and production in a GMP-certified facility, positioning the kit as safe even for children from age 3 upwards. On Trustpilot, some buyer reviews report subjective benefits: improved digestion, better sleep or mood, fewer gut-related complaints during or after use. But on deeper inspection, serious red flags emerge. There is no published clinical evidence or peer-reviewed study verifying that Velvra's herbal formula can reliably eradicate intestinal parasites in humans. In other words, the core claim that the cleanse removes parasites and detoxifies the body remains unproven. In addition, user reports are inconsistent. While some claim mild improvement, others describe no change, unpleasant taste, or even side effects like digestive discomfort, and some express skepticism after the course. This pattern, mixed reviews, anecdotal results, and no scientific backing, is common among products in the parasite cleanse or detox niche. Independent reviewers evaluating Velvra note that it should be treated as a speculative wellness supplement, not a substitute for medical diagnosis or treatment if you suspect a genuine parasitic infection. In short, while Velvra is not obviously a fraud, the company exists, sells a real-looking kit, and some customers report mild benefits. Its claims are far stronger than the evidence. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.